We don't want a world where 5 people at 5 companies onboard humanity onto the AI plane without figuring out what future we actually want.
I think it's important to know we're not saying this in an adversarial way. What we're saying is, could you imagine how different we would be walking into this next age? We walked into the nuclear age, but at least we woke up and we created the UN Bretton Woods. We're walking into the AI age, but we're not waking up and creating institutions that span countries. Imagine how different it would be if there was a nationalized, televised, not debate, but discussion from the heads of the major labs and companies and the lead safety experts like the Eliezers and civic actors. And we really gave this moment in history the weight that it deserves versus another sort of weird article in the New York Times about how the chatbot tried to break up the reporter from their wife.